Before buying a roof tent for your Subaru Outback, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Wildfinder SUV Tent. First up, we have the Wildfinder SUV Tent. Priced at $149.99, this tent caught my attention with its rock-solid tension structure and ease of setup. If you want a spacious and stable setup for your adventures, this is worth a serious look. The floorless design is a game changer, letting you place your chairs or cooking station directly on the ground, eliminating that muddy mess that comes with traditional tents. Plus, it's surprisingly lightweight at just 10.1 pounds, which is great for packing and transportation. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The ample space means you can comfortably fit your family without feeling cramped, and the universal fit is perfect for your Outback, ensuring that setup is a breeze wherever you park. With a solid 4.4-star rating from 243 reviews, many users appreciate how easy it is to use. Now, some people complained about the lack of a floor, which might seem problematic at first. But here's the thing, if you're camping in areas where the ground is mostly clean, this design actually enhances flexibility and ease of use. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly, easy-to-use tent for a weekend getaway. Skip this one if you're looking for something that has a full enclosure and more luxurious features. Now, if the floorless design of the Wildfinder tent isn't your style, the next one on our list takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Sanhema Rooftop Tent. Next up is the Sanhema Rooftop Tent, priced at $1,499.99. This premium option stood out to me with its slimline design and quick 30-second setup. If you're looking for a solid, high-quality tent that offers comfort, this one is a fantastic option. The starry sky view window is a lovely touch, allowing you to stargaze right from your tent. Plus, it fits perfectly on your Subaru Outback, enhancing your camping experience without compromising on comfort. Here's why this matters for you. The memory foam mattress ensures a restful night's sleep, and the ample interior space means you won't feel cramped. It has a 4-star rating from 165 reviews, which shows that many users love its comfort and ease of use. Now, some people found it a bit heavy at 163.14 pounds. Here's the thing though, the solid construction means better durability, which is essential for long-term use. If you're looking for quality, this may be worth the extra weight. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, comfortable tent that you can set up in seconds. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or prefer a more lightweight option. Alright, that was a solid choice. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a hard shell option. Product number 3, Wildfinder Hard Shell Tent. Our third pick is another from Wildfinder, their hard shell rooftop tent priced at $1,129. This tent immediately caught my eye due to its aircraft-grade aluminum construction. If you want a durable, weatherproof option, this needs to be on your radar. Made with high-quality materials, this tent promises durability and resistance to the elements. The recessed marine pad and comfortable mattress ensure a quality sleeping environment, which is essential after a long day of adventures. With a 4.4-star rating from 111 reviews, it's favored for its easy setup and comfort. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Its weather-resistant features mean you can camp all year round without worrying about leaks or cold drafts. Many users rave about the comfort of the mattress, making it a great choice for families. Now, some users reported that it can be challenging to fit on some roof racks. But here's the silver lining. If you have a compatible rack, the setup is actually straightforward. This is perfect for you if you're looking for something sturdy and comfortable for family camping. Skip this one if you have a smaller vehicle or a rack that can't support it. Now, if that weight or compatibility issue concerns you, the next tent takes a more universal fit approach. Product number 4, Overland Vehicle Systems Tent. Coming in at number 4 is the Overland Vehicle Systems TMBK Soft Shell Rooftop Tent, priced at $999.99. This one caught my attention with its universal fit and all-weather design. If you're looking for versatility and comfort, you'll want to hear more. This tent is designed for 3 people, ensuring your family can enjoy elevated camping. The heavy-duty polycotton ripstop fabric is designed to withstand various conditions, and the included waterproof rainfly adds extra protection against the elements. Plus, it has a lightweight design, making it easy to handle and set up, which is crucial for spontaneous trips. Here's why this matters for you. The elevated views and integrated skylight mean you're not just camping, you're experiencing nature from a whole new perspective. With a 4.2-star rating from 147 reviews, it's clear that users appreciate its combination of comfort and durability. Now, some folks mention that the setup can be a bit cumbersome for one person. But honestly, if you have a buddy to help or a simple routine, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a spacious tent for family camping. Skip this one if you often camp solo or prefer a super quick setup. Alright, that was a great option. But the final product on our list brings some unique features that might catch your eye. Product number 5, Adventurer Pro Rooftop Tent. Last but definitely not least is the Adventurer Pro Rooftop Tent from HEYFUN, priced at $1,129. This tent really impressed me with its quick setup and quality materials. If you're after a reliable all-season tent, you should definitely check this out. This hard shell tent is designed with a strong aluminum base and waterproof features that make it perfect for any weather. The hydraulic pop-up mechanism is a dream. It can be ready in just 5 seconds. Spacious enough for 2 adults and a child, it ensures that everyone has room to stretch out. It also boasts a built-in LED light strip for late-night reading or just creating a cozy atmosphere. With a solid 4.4-star rating from 56 reviews, users love its durability and ease of use. Here's why this matters for you. The all-weather design means you can take this tent on any adventure without worrying about the elements. Plus, the quick setup is a huge advantage when you're eager to hit the road. Now, some users pointed out that the installation requires a sturdy rack. But look, if you're already outfitted with a solid roof rack, this isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want an easy-to-use, durable tent for all types of camping. Skip this one if you're not ready to invest in a robust roof rack. In summary, whether you're looking for budget-friendly options like the Wildfinder SUV tent or the premium features of the Sanhema and Adventurer Pro, I hope this list helps you find the perfect roof tent for your Subaru Outback. So to quickly recap, we've looked at the Wildfinder SUV tent, perfect for budget seekers, the Sanhema rooftop tent, great for those who want luxury, the Wildfinder hard shell for durability, the Overland Vehicle Systems tent for versatility, and the HEYFUN Adventurer Pro for all-season reliability. Each of these tents brings something special to the table, so choose one that fits your style and needs.